Okay, I'm going to explain how to solve Thursday's morning work problem. So let's first read our question. It says a toy store has 26 action figures. The store receives a shipment of 24 boxes of action figures. Each box has 18 action figures. How many action figures does the store have now? Okay, so we've got a word problem here. So I'm going to write rules off to the side. R-U-L-E-S. I read it. Now we're going to underline. So we know that this toy store started with 26 action figures. Then they received a shipment of 24 boxes of action figures with 18 in each box. And we want to know, we're going to circle our question. We want to know how many figures the store now has. So we want to know how many figures we have now. Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture. So I got my store. Inside my store, I already had 26. Then I have a shipment. So we're going to pretend it came on a big truck with this will be a weird looking truck. 24 boxes with 18 in each box. So we're just going to draw a bunch of boxes in here, and there's 18 in each. If you wanted, you could draw 24 boxes and put 18 in each. Up to you. So we have a lot of action figures coming to the store. Okay, so now let's make our strip diagram. So the first question we ask ourselves is, do we have a total? No. That's exactly what we're trying to find. We're trying to find our total number of action figures. Now, groups is a little bit interesting because we started with 26, and then we gained an additional 24 groups of 18. So here we have 24. So I'm going to just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, 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 all the way to 24. And we have 18 in each. So 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. Okay. Now we need to evaluate how to solve it. So I see two different groups here. I see the amount that we received in the shipment, so the 24 boxes of 18, and I see the other group, which was the amount we began with, so the 26 that we already had in the store. So to solve this, we're going to need to figure out how many action figures arrived. So in order to figure out the total number of action figures, we have to do 18 times 24. We can't add action figures plus boxes. That doesn't make sense. We can't subtract 24 boxes, 18 action figures out of 24 boxes. Those aren't the same things. We're not going to be dividing it. We have 24 boxes with 18 action figures in each box. So we have 24 groups of 18. So we're going to do 24 times 18 plus the 26 that we already had. So we had a low stock to begin with. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve that. So I'm going to solve using the partial products method or the box method. So I'm going to decompose 24 into 20 and 4. And then I'm going to decompose 18 into 10 and 8. So here I'm going to do 20 times 10. Remember, this is an area model, right? 24 times 18. It's just an area model, but I'm just making into smaller boxes that are easier to multiply. So I'm just taking my big box and I'm cutting it into 4 smaller boxes. This one's going to be 4 times 10. So remember, this helps you with area too. And then down here I have 20 times 8. And over here I have 4 times 8. So our zero rule. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 zeros, so 200. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1, 0. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1, 0. And 4 times 8 is 32. Whoa. Okay, hang on, let me get that fixed. Okay, so now I'm going to need to add all these together. Maybe that woke you up. Okay, so we're gonna do 200 plus 40. That's 240. So I got these two. Plus 160. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so that's 400. Plus 32. 432. So our shipment that arrived had 432 action figures. But that's not how many action figures the store has, because we also had this 26. So now I need to add my 432 plus the 26 that we already had in the store before the shipment came. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. So the total number of figures we have in the store now is 458 action figures. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and solve the next problem on your own, which looks very similar, but it has different numbers. So go ahead and solve this one on your own. I should see all this work. All right. Have a great rest of your, no, I'm sorry. Solve this problem on your own and then do your independent practice. Thank you so much.